So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Oh, look at what it is! It's an excavator! Yeah! Are you ready to learn about excavators with me? Yeah! Let's go! Excavators are so spectacular! Let's look at the parts of the excavator. Come here. Let's start with the cab. This, inside here, is where the operator of the excavator sits. Look inside. Wow, there's a lot of controls in there. Ooh, that looks fun. Okay, let's close the door. Oh, whoa, look. Yeah, these are the tracks of the excavator. Wow, there's no wheels and tires on an excavator. There are only these tracks. And it allows for it to go over rocks and mud and big piles of dirt and not even get stuck like this. See, I didn't even get stuck. Woo, and look back here. This is the engine compartment. This is where the excavator gets all of its power from. Huh, look. Wow. There's more engine components on the other side and the top, but there's a bunch of radiators, coolant, and all that fun stuff in here. I almost forgot my favorite part, the bucket. Let's go. Whoa! Look at the bucket! This excavator bucket is really big! It can grab and scoop a bunch of dirt out of the earth. And this part right here, the clamper, yeah, it's called the thumb. Whoa! And look at all of this. Wow! This is the arm of the excavator. It's really tall. And that part, that is the boom of the excavator. The arm and the boom and the bucket. And how all of this gets powered are these hydraulic cylinders. Wow! They push fluid up so then everything can move. Whoa! It's like I'm an excavator. That was so much fun learning the parts of an excavator. Now it's time to operate the excavator. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. First things first. Safety first. Yeah. Yeah. Look, I got my safety vest on And my hard hat. Ooh, see these joysticks? These are what operate the arm and the boom and the bucket. See? Oh, and this one makes it swivel. Watch this. Whoa! 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 This is so much fun. Whee! Okay, and then I'll push it the other way. And now we're going to swivel around this way. Whoa! 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 Whee! Okay, here we go. All right, enough swiveling. Now it's time to dig. Pull the joysticks. Yeah! Whoa! Look at how big this scoop is! Yeah! Okay, now let's dump out the scoop. Whoa! That was a big scoop. We're on a little joyride in the excavator. We're just driving the excavator to find a new spot to dig in. Look at what it is! It's a stump! I wonder what's underneath the stump. This is where the stump used to be. I wonder what's underneath the stump. Looks like a bunch of dirt. A lot of dirt. And look, a giant rock. What else? Look, it's a boombox. Boomboxes play music. I wonder what song is in here.
Excavator.
It's the excavator song!
Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. Got a big old bucket and I scoop all the time, digging holes in the ground, wonder what I'll find. I'm an earth investigator, I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I don't have feet?
No feet? How do you get around?
I roll on tracks to get to where I need to be. I'm an excavator, excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator.
Hey, it's time to act like an excavator. I'll teach you. All you gotta do is bring up your arm, like it's the arm and the boom in the bucket, and start to scoop. That's fun!
We've got a place where workers sit, it's called a cab, where they control the bucket to scoop and grab. I'm a hole regulator, I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I work all day?
Do you ever sleep?
No time for sleep, no time for play. I'm an excavator, excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator, excavator, excavator.
That was so much fun learning about the marvelous machine of an excavator with you. Bye! Woo! Yeah!
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, did you see me? I was just acting like a robot that's operating a backhoe. That was so much fun. Watch, I'll do it again.
Hey, Blippi.
Oh, hey, how are you doing?
Fantastic.
Oh, you haven't met my friend, have you?
Nope.
Cool, I'll let him introduce himself to you.
Hi, I'm Balbo, and I'm a robot. I can do some pretty cool things. Check this out. This is my laser beam. I'll show you more of this later. In the meantime, let's learn about some backhoes.
I think we should learn about backhoes too. This is gonna be so much fun.
Hey, I'm gonna show you how to build a backhoe. Wheels and tires. Cabin. Windows. Engine. Loader bucket. Hydraulic cylinders. Boom. Stick. Hydraulic cylinders. Back bucket. Stabilizer legs. And this is the backhoe.
have a game for us to play together. A backhoe is gonna pop up, and when you see the color of the backhoe, say it out loud and say it as quick as you can, okay? Are you ready? Yeah! The color yellow. Let's do another one. Red. The color red. Yep, blue. Just like the color of my shirt. Blue. Ah, pink. Pink is so fun. Orange. Hey, just like my suspenders, my glasses, my hat, and my bow tie. Orange. Here's another one. White. White. Green. The color green. Purple. Purple. Brown. The color brown. Okay, last one. Black. The color black. Wow, good job. You sure know some of your colors really well. I have another game for us to play together. But first, let's count the number of backhoes from 0 to 10. Okay? Yeah, 0 backhoes. There's no backhoes here. Okay, here we go. 1. There's 1 backhoe. 2. 3. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 backhoes. Okay, now that we counted from 0 to 10, now we can play that game. A random number of backhoes is gonna appear, and then you gotta say how many backhoes there are as quick as you can. Okay? Here we go. 3. Yeah, 3 backhoes. 1, 2, 3. 3 backhoes. Okay, here we go. This one's gonna be a little bit trickier. Yeah, 5. 5 backhoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yep, 1. There's only 1 backhoe. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 backhoes. 2. 2 backhoes. 1, 2. Okay, these are gonna be a little bit more difficult. Are you ready? 7. 7 backhoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here we go. 6. 6 backhoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, good job. Let's do another one. Ooh. 9. Yeah, 9. 9 backhoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 backhoes. Here we go. Ready? Yeah, 8. 8 backhoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 backhoes. Good job. Okay, last one. That's a lot of backhoes. There's 10 backhoes there. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. That was really fun. Thanks for counting backhoes with me.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey! Ooh, look at what I have. Yeah, it's sidewalk chalk. Ooh, so colorful. I love sidewalk chalk. Hey, let's write on the sidewalk and spell my name together. Come here. Okay. All right. Do you know my name? Yeah, it's Blippi. And how you spell that is B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Whoa, and look, I'll underline it with the color blue. Wow. Oh, that is awesome. Okay, not only can you write letters and spell things, you can draw things with sidewalk chalk. Hey, I have a game. I'm gonna take the color yellow out, and I'll draw something, and then you get to guess what it is, okay? Ready? All right. One circle, another circle, and let's connect those circles with tracks, and then let's go up like this, over, up, over, down for the cab. Okay, tracks in the cab. Ooh, and then whoa, it broke. Okay, a giant blade. Yeah, look at that blade. Ooh, and on the back, whoa, that's the ripper. Whoa, yeah, it's a bulldozer. Good job.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey! Whoa, look at what it is! It's a bulldozer! Are you ready to learn about bulldozers with me? Yeah! Let's go! Now it's time to operate the bulldozer! Woo! Come on! Whoa, whoa, whoa! not so fast. Before we operate the bulldozer, we need our safety equipment. Oh, look, I have my hard hat on. Yeah, and my safety vest. Ooh, orange and yellow. Now we're ready. Come on. Was a big bulldozer push. What is this? This looks like a vacuum from the 1600s. And it's in our way. So I think we should bulldoze the vacuum. Are you ready to learn about the parts of the bulldozer with me? Yeah, let's go! Let's go to the front. Whoa! Wow! This right here is the blade. And the blade is used to push anything and everything out of its way. Whoa! Do you see up there? Those are the sweeps. And when the blade pushes large trees out of its way, if the tree falls down, it won't hit the driver in the cab. The cab! Whoa! Up there is the cab. Yeah, that's where the driver and the operator sits. That's so cool. Whoa, and look at these. Wow, these are the tracks. Whoa, the tracks are really useful for going over mud, dirt, rocks, debris, anything, and it won't even get stuck. Oh, and look at this compartment. Whoa, this compartment, yeah, is full of the hydraulics. It powers the blade, the tracks, and the scratchy-mabobs. Oh, come here! I love the scratchy-mabobs. Yeah, these, also known as the Ripper, rips up anything and everything on the ground, so it makes it nice and soft for the bulldozer. And another compartment. Whoa. This compartment is the electrical compartment, and it has 2 batteries because this machine is so big. Oh, and I almost forgot, the engine. Come over here. Wow, that engine is so massive. And this machine is so cool. I was just doing the dozer dance. Will you do the dozer dance with me? Yeah, I'll teach you. Okay, first, you raise up your hands and your arms and act like you have a bulldozer blade, like this. Okay? And then you move your feet like the bulldozer tracks. So it looks like this. Good job! Okay, I have a really fun game. We'll do the dozer dance when we hear the music, but when you don't hear music and it stops, you need to freeze. Yeah, okay? Are you ready? Okay.
Listen.
Hold your arms out, march in place. Left foot, right foot, keep the pace. Move your arms up and down. Crouch and crouch down to the ground. Turn your hands. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer. Bulldozer dance. Stand up tall on 2 feet, from side to side, bounce to the beat. Raise your left knee, raise your right, raise your arms and raise them high. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer. Dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
It's a bulldozer dance.
Whoa! We are inside the bulldozer. Before we operate the bulldozer, we need, our seatbelt on. Okay, let's buckle that in. Okay, there we go. Oh, and look at this. Wow, this is the instrument cluster. See? The lights, the windshield wipers, and the key. And once you turn it on, then from there, the bulldozer has power! And right here, this joystick, whoa, whoa! When you push forward, it goes forward. Backward, you reverse, left, and go right! Wow! And this joystick over here, whoa! This operates the blade. So, left, right, down, and up! Ooh! And this operates the ripper. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. What I'm doing here is bulldozing down some old dead trees. So then it'll make some room so we can plant some new ones.
Yeah! Did you see that? Yeah! I love bulldozers!
Bulldozers are such amazing pieces of machinery. Now it's time for the bulldozer song.
Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. It's a yellow tracked machine, found on mines, farms, and factories. It can push most anything. Bulldozers stirring up debris. Bulldozers help the farmers work by breaking up rocks and digging in the dirt. With With the blade on the front and a claw on the back, it can help you build a home just like that. Whoa, it's on a roll, bulldozer. And they can move through some rough terrain. They can move all kinds of things. Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. Roll on, bulldozer.
Better move over, here comes the
It's a yellow
bulldozer.
machine. Roll on, bulldozer.
Better move over, here comes the
It's a yellow
bulldozer.
machine.
Woohoo! Woohoo! That was so much fun learning about bulldozers with you. Well, you gotta keep on keeping on. Life's a garden. Dig it. You just gotta make it work for you. So, anywho, if you wanna watch more of my videos, you know what to do, right? Yeah, just search for my name. Blippi. Blippi. Good job. All right. See you later.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Whoa!
Tractor. Tractor. Wagon. We have a tractor and a wagon. Tractor. What color is this tractor? Is this tractor the color red? No, it's not red. Is the tractor the color blue? No, this tractor's not blue. Is this tractor pink? No. Is the tractor purple? No. Is the tractor green? Yeah, the tractor is green. Ooh, and there's another color too. You can see the wheels on the wagon and the tractor wheels. See the color right in there? Yeah, what color is that? Yeah, it's the same color as the sun. Yellow, the color yellow. This tractor and wagon is the color green and yellow.
Oh, give me the wagon. Okay, me. Oh, look at who it is. Oh, it's a house. Huh, it's a house. Hi, wagon. Hi, wagon. Hello, how are you? Oh, hey, we got a problem. Yeah, we got a big problem. Oh, what's your problem? How can I help you? Well, if you come follow us, we got a big pile of grass at the barn. Yeah, come follow us. Okay, you guys jump in. Ring, 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 ring. Oh, we fell out. Oh, get back in there. And then let's put it back and let's go to the barn. Run, run, run. Hey!
Whoa, here's the barn. And here's the big pile of grass.
Yeah, tractor! We need your help putting the grass in the back of our wagon! Okay, I can help that. I got a lot of room in the back of my wagon. Okay, cool. Thank you so much. It's just so dirty out here. We need help. Okay, let's go. Let him do his work. Let's put the wagon right here. Oh, little more. Put this back in here and let's go save the day.
Oh, that was so much fun learning the colors of the tractor and the wagon with you. If you want to see some more toys, be sure to click right here, that big red button that says subscribe, so you can watch me, Blippi, play with more toys. All right, bye.
It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
All right, now it's time for the tractor song.
Tractors, oh tractors, they're so much fun. Tractors, oh tractors, they get the job done. Tractors work all day, tractors work all night. Gotta bale that hay, gotta bale it tight. They can be different colors, green, red, or blue,
Or yellow, or purple.
I wish I could drive one.
I wish I could too.
Tractors, oh tractors, they're so much fun. Tractors, oh tractors, they get the job done. They have great big tires, so they don't slip and slide. They have great big engines, and this is what they sound like. If you're ever on a farm, maybe ask to take a ride with the farmer and his tractor. You're gonna have a great time. Oh tractors, they're so much fun. Tractors, oh tractors, they get the job done.
That was so much fun having you sing and dance along to the tractor song with me. Hey, if you like tractors, be sure to ask your parents really nicely to go to blippi.com. I sell a tractor t-shirt. Yup, it has a tractor on it and me driving the tractor. Whoa! Whoa! Like I said, it's available at blippi.com. And if you want to watch more of my videos with tractors in it, all you gotta do is search for my name, Blippi Tractors. Blippi Tractors. One of the videos, I actually show you what it's like inside a real tractor on the farm. All right, see you soon. Bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!